Rice flour, milk and honey face pack for dull skin. On the hunt for rice flour face packs for glowing skin that shows dull skin, the exit door. Let me take you to some of the fantastic face packs and show you their benefits. Rice flour. Skin lightening. Being extremely rich in nutrients and vitamins, it acts as a clearing agent, thus giving a glowing skin. Cleanses and purifies the skin, soothes and repairs the skin, exfoliates blocked facial pores, nourishes and moisturizes the epidermal layer. 2-spoon rice flour. Rice has been used in Korean and Japanese culture for skin brightening and skin glow for a very long time. Using a rice powder face pack will ensure an even toned and glowing skin. It fades any dark spots. Take liquid milk 3 spoons. Using milk to cleanse the skin or as a face mask can help treat acne as well as reduce inflammation associated with pimples. To give you rice flour face pack with milk, get glowing skin. Helps remove dead skin cells and stimulates new cell growth. Let me take you to some of the fantastic face packs and show you their benefits. Take 1 teaspoon of honey. Rice flour face pack with honey is one of the best ways to ensure skin whitening and brightening. Honey on face in the form of a homemade honey mask will help increase your skin's elasticity. Mix well. Rice flour for skin may be used for skin lightening, skin whitening, eliminating suntan, and treating acne, among many other things. Easy to make face pack. You will require rice flour, honey, and milk. It helps in exfoliating the dead skin cells and flush out impurities from the surface while honey moisturizes and soothes the skin. Milk contains lactic acid that deep cleanses the skin pores and eliminates any acne-causing bacteria. Honey not only works as a binder, but also soothes the skin and makes it soft and supple. Anti-aging face mask from rice, honey, and milk. Favorite Japanese facial. Rice flour packs are essential for the skin as they help to keep the skin hydrated. Apply it on the face and neck, massaging gently. This face pack can soothe your inflamed, acne-prone skin. Rice flour face pack for skin lightening and brighter skin. At home, use any of your favorite and suitable rice flour face. Rice flour provides natural anti-aging and oil-absorbing properties, a good ingredient for oily or dull skin. Rice powder face pack puts a halt to excess sebum production, reduces acne, balances oiliness, and tightens skin pores. Rice powder face packs to get bright and glowing skin for removing stubborn tan. Afterwards, rinse it off and apply moisture to your skin. Do this twice a week for the best results.